Hey, just when you thought the market was going to continue to make all-time highs in Nvidia, look what happened. I mean, the day that we did our price prediction in Nvidia, the market was down 6.25% January the 7th. So you guys can see how fast this particular market moves. I was anticipating that the market's going to continue to lift off of the big move that occurred after the CEO of Nvidia spoke, but apparently he didn't speak well enough because the market didn't like it, and then the market ended up down. So yes, this prediction did not play out in favor of what we expected it to do, which it will happen. However, we got more information as to what the majority of the market participants think. If they're not bullish, if they're not trying to make all-time highs hit this stock, then apparently they're looking for a price to go down. Cool. We need to play that same type of mentality then. That is the greatest ability of us being on the outside. We're able to switch teams. And the quicker that you're able to switch to a team that is winning, the more profit you'll make. Okay? So now let's go ahead and look at Nvidia on a couple of different time frames, because this is definitely weak. Right there, that daily bar. So since that bar was created and printed, we need to get rid of these pockets of buying here, because these buyers, they're not in that pocket. If they were, price would not be trading below it. Okay, so since price is below those two pockets, that obviously is telling us that those buyers aren't in that zone, in that pocket. Now let's look at Nvidia real quick on the 2. Okay, so now we shouldn't be all that surprised that the market couldn't make all-time highs, because we got that bar there, and we got, this is telling us that this is a firm and strong area of selling for Nvidia. So even if we do see price come back to this pocket, the idea and notion would be you need to see, we'll see a reaction of market trending back down, or at least an attempt to. Here is Nvidia on the 3. Again, this 3-day price bar, and I'll combine it with this one, is definitely telling me that the stock is weak. Okay, it's weak, because how can you go from seeing a fantastic 3-day price bar here to where Nvidia ended up 11.25% to see it go right back down to the same place that it started 3 days before? Again, that's just confirmation that there's not enough buyers in the market in Nvidia to try to keep the price up. Someone is selling. Okay, so we're going to continue to follow through with the selling until it changes. Now here were the buyers. So currently we're still seeing these market buyers trying to support this pocket, but looking at this on the 3, maybe they don't have enough money to continue to hold that pocket, because look at this on the 4. I don't think this market's going to hold this pocket right there, given all of the weakness that we're seeing over the last couple of days. Here it is on the 5. Here's Nvidia on the weekly. Look at that weekly bar there. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Again, 2 days, 9 hours. This is emphatic weakness right there. Right now, that is weakness there. So if we're not able to see price pull up on this 2 weekly price bar, like close at $145 or so, and then we see the market close at the bottom of this 2 weekly price bar, then yeah, this market is weak in Nvidia. Okay, but we got 2 days and 9 hours. Again, that doesn't look bullish though. Here it is on the 5. Nvidia on the monthly chart. Currently, this is all weak right here. These 3 monthly price bars right now is all weakness. So the last 3 months, we guys can see on these price bars that someone was doing some selling. Now the crazy part is that there's been enough demand in the market to uphold price right now. That's the crazy part, that people are willing to buy the stock this high. But when you look at this on a seesaw, there's definitely more selling hitting the stock though. It's like the sellers are like, I'm so glad that there's so much demand for this stock at this price, because I got a whole lot of it to sell. And it's been 3 months that sellers has been hitting this stock in Nvidia. And every time price goes down, people suspect, hey, the market is down 11%. Price is at a discount. And the sellers are like, cool, I'm glad you think it's a discount because I got a lot more stock to sell to you. And it's been going on for 3 months. So again, this doesn't look bullish to me. It might look bullish to you, but to me, we're going to anticipate Nvidia continually going down. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. And our first target will be at this pocket right here, this very small pocket of buying at $122. That is 7.37% there. Our next target is going to be around like $114.75. At the low of that pocket, it gives us 12.87. Now, I want to see if we need to create any pockets of selling. So we got one here. That's probably the biggest one there. This might be a pocket right here. Let me see it back on the daily. All right, so we'll leave it like that. Let me take this one away. And that is it. I'm going to keep this current pocket here because I want us to know that the chance is still there that the market can support that pocket. If so, then I mean, we might not make enough on a prediction in Nvidia. So I'm going to keep it there just as a reference point, letting you know that I did speak about that, and that is something that could go against our idea that the market's going to continue to trend down. But yeah, that's it. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.